Before we get started with this video, I just wanted to applaud you for clicking on this video and wanting to change this in your life. Porn is something that negatively affects men more than they know, and I'm thanking you for taking that first step into making a change for your life. So without further ado, let's get into the video. These are a few steps that I've done that has helped me, myself, stop watching porn and live a better, more fulfilling life. Step number one was admitting that porn was something that wasn't acceptable. A lot of times we grow up, most of our friends, they watch porn, we see it on media, social media, everything like that, and it becomes so acceptable. But honestly, if something was so acceptable, why would we try to hide it so much? So just knowing the guilt that comes from watching it is just letting you know that this is something that I shouldn't be doing. This is something that isn't acceptable and I will not tolerate it. And that's one of the first steps that I've taken that has helped me along this journey. Number two that's helped me quite a bit was avoiding triggers. Avoiding triggers is something that could sound simple, but in turn can be a little difficult. On Instagram, ways to avoid triggers would be to unfollow maybe models that you might be following. If you're watching certain movies can also lead you to thinking about porn. Avoid those certain movies. Avoid anything that leads you into feeling like you want to watch porn or gives you the urge to watch it. Step number three was to get a porn block app. This is something that I've used to help me from searching something, of course, on the internet, searching porn or anything of the sort. It blocks and censors pretty much anything. It's helped me to avoid clicking on the internet and doing that. Of course, there's ways to delete the app or not follow through with the app and delete it and then reinstall it. But if you're looking to change, if you really truly want to change, I would suggest that you just leave it alone, continue with the app. But knowing that you want to change, I know that you will not click to delete this. Step number four would be to stay out of isolation. Isolation is something that you don't even think about. You're in your room, you're chilling after a long day. Then out of nowhere, this thought in your head comes, maybe I should watch this. You see something online, and maybe you were drawn to going further into watching porn. So I would say staying out of isolation for too long. If your family is downstairs, instead of going into your room upstairs, just go down, commune with your family, talk to them, and just be interactive with everybody that's in your household. And that can help you in turn avoid watching porn. It also keeps you distracted, keeps you busy. Step number five is to break the old habit of watching porn. Whenever you feel like you have to watch porn or you're so triggered to the point where you feel like this is all you can do some push-ups, do something else, draw, read, anything else to replace that bad habit from watching porn is doing something else more productive. That's something that's going to help you in your future instead of watching porn. Replacing bad habits with some good habits. In turn, you start having more of a habit to do more of the good things instead of the bad things. So So that's all the 5 steps I have for you today. If this has helped you a lot, just leave a comment below. Let me know what's going on. I have my Instagram in the description below. Send me a message and tell me about your journey as well. And if you think this video will help somebody out, be free to share it to someone that may be in need.